You are currently listening to the Sandusky Local Weather Report. Current time is 12:46 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is partly cloudy, and medium showers are expected in approximately 1 hour. Tomorrow, it will be sunny, temperatures in the 80s, and no rain expected. There is a new report from the National Weather Service. A meteorological event is now occurring. This event was not predicted to happen before. This meteorological event consists of death.
This is a local weather alert, issued by the National Weather Service. There is a previously unexpected meteorological event occurring at the moment. It is advised to not observe this event with the naked eye, as multiple people who have witnessed it have experienced strange feelings in their body, feelings such as nausea, migraines, difficulty breathing, paranoia, feeling of impending doom, inability to process thoughts, etc. At the moment, it is advised to not look at this event, and therefore the sky. Scientists are attempting to figure out what this event is, and why it is causing these effects on people. Children seem to be less affected by this event than adults are. It is still recommended that you do not let children observe it, for the time being. Many people are connecting this to the old folklore of the Ohio/Great Lakes region of the United States. Apparently, every few hundred years, there is a night with an unexplainable event taking place in the sky. There would also be strange, paranormal creatures wandering the area during the night time. Keep in mind, these are old rumors. They have absolutely no factual basis. These rumors were most likely passed down through many generations of Native Americans, and have lived on as essentially ghost stories. Once again, it is advised for all citizens to avoid observing this event. It is not deadly as of now, but you should take the necessary precautions to avoid any potentially dangerous situations, especially if you suffer from asthma, or struggle with breathing more than usual.